When choosing an advisor, you need to find someone you're comfortable having a long-term working relationship with. As well as keeping a close eye on how your investments are performing, there are several things a good advisor will do for you on an ongoing basis. One of the most important of these is communicating movements in the asset allocation of your portfolio. Because different assets perform differently, the initial weighting will change over time. Cheaper asset classes may increase, while expensive ones reduce. To control risk, your advisor will set maximum and minimum levels for each of the asset classes depending on your risk tolerance and objectives. They'll also ensure that you aren't paying more in tax than you need to by maximising franking credits and minimising capital gains tax. Once you retire, they'll also ensure that you spend your money in a tax-efficient way. And remember, life rarely turns out exactly as expected. Your circumstances and goals may well change over time. And if they do, you'll be grateful to have a trusted advisor to adjust your plan accordingly.